Just a quick question based off of the process, because you mentioned process before.
Yeah.
There are certain customers who are very nice. There are certain customers who are very rude,
Oh yeah.
very aggressive.
Yep.
Do you have a certain way of approaching those type of customers? I know you said treat everybody
Absolutely.
the same,
Yeah.
follow the same process.
Same process doesn't mean the same word tracks and stuff.
Correct.
Right. So
Yes.
follow the same basic steps. Road to the the road to the sale.
Exactly.
Which we learned 20 plus years ago. Everybody's a different personality, right? You get the type A guy that comes in, doesn't say hello to anybody. Let him go. Let him do his thing. You know what I mean? Let him look around. Sir, you're in control, sir.
Right.
I'm just here to answer any questions you have and help you out.
Mm-hmm.
All the while, I'm trying to steer him towards what I want.
Right.
Which is, ultimately, to make the sale and to have a customer.
Right.
When you get those customers that come in that that are standoffish, not necessarily rude or mean, you kind of got to let them look around, let them walk around. Their guard's up. That's all. They're like this. You got to slowly just bring it down. But I like to let them kind of do their thing first. Let them look around, let them walk around, and just, sir, I'll be right over here if you have any questions.
Right.
Please feel free to look. And if there's anything I can help you, point you in the right direction of, please don't hesitate to ask me.
Mm-hmm. Right.
And then 5 minutes later, come back and check on him.
Right.
Sir, I saw you looking at car A over here. Can I answer any questions for you? What are you driving now? What brings you in today?
Mm-hmm.
What can we sell you?
Right.
Every time you're in let's say a Macy's, for example, can I help you? No, you can't.
Mm-hmm.
Don't start with that.
Right.
Right?
Yeah.
Introduce yourself. Welcome.
Mm-hmm.
Smile.
Right.
Body language is what, 90% of it?
Mm-hmm.